In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions monthly box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another unboxing. I do a Goddess Provisions unboxing every single month on my channel. I am very thankful to them for sending me this box every single month. They don't sponsor me, but they do send it to me. And it's a really fun way for me to get more content out for you guys, as well as connect with you guys. A lot of you have been messaging me, emailing me, telling me what you got in the box and how you're using it, or asking me how I'm using certain things in the box, and I love talking to you guys about the box. So I feel like I made a lot of friendships out of this box, like friends with you guys, and it's really fun, and I can't wait to get to know more of you guys over the box. It's just a really great way to connect with you. So every single month I like to unbox these with a glass of wine. Of course, it's so fun. Before we get started, a little bit about Goddess Provisions it is a monthly subscription box with a bunch of ritual tools, spiritual tools, witchy tools. So it ranges from incense to books to crystals to jewelry to some random very inspiring things. So it's a surprise every single time. So I'm really excited about this one. It is $33 a month, unless if you get like a 6-month plan or a 12-month plan, then it is a little bit cheaper. You get $80 to $100 worth of things in here, and if you have been watching my Goddess Provision hauls, you know that it exceeds $100 most of the time. You get way more than $100 worth of things in here. Another thing is it's vegan and cruelty free. Also, a portion of it gets donated to plant a tree. And another thing you guys ask me all the time about is shipping. They ship worldwide. So that's another fun thing. Let's get to unboxing. I'm really excited about this box. While I am unboxing this, I do want to kind of talk to you guys about changing up the format of my videos. I don't want to continue doing my videos the way that I have been doing, because it's usually, hey guys, and I kind of want to be a little bit more authentic and kind of just be like, hey, let's talk about what we need to talk about, not be so scripty and, let me know what you guys think about that. But so far, this box is really interesting. So the first thing I see here is, so first thing I do is take out everything in the box and I show you guys what it is, what I think about it, and then at the end of the video, I share with you the actual price of each item, and you also get discount codes and discount codes and % off if you go to the website and you want to shop around at the website and stuff. But this is made from organic cotton. It looks like a little pouch for lipsticks and whatever else you want to keep in there. This actually I would use to keep one of my tiny tarot decks in here, along with some crystals. This would be so cute because when I travel a lot, well, right now I can't because COVID and quarantine, but this is perfect for traveling. If you are a tarot reader, this is perfect for keeping one deck and a few crystals in there. Like, this is so cute, and it's made from organic cotton, and the print is really cute. So the whole theme is desert theme. If I'm talking really fast, I did have a glass of wine before I started filming this video while I was prepping everything. So I'm kind of feeling myself. Okay, the next thing I see here is a dry brush. So this says add 3 drops of tea tree oil to a shallow bowl of water, place the brush bristles down, swish it around, let it soak for 5 minutes, and rinse, and then place the brush on a towel to dry. Oh, that's cleaning. Oh, that's cleaning instructions. But I've never used a dry brush. I don't know what, made with beechwood and cactus plant bristles. That right there just really caught my attention. I love when things are made from natural things. Just because when something is made from natural resources from Mother Earth, I feel like it carries an energy and a vibration, and it's very powerful to ground you, especially for root chakra work. The more natural things you use, the more your root chakra is grounded and you don't feel so crazy in the head. So this, I think you use in the shower, which I'm really, really excited about because I have a loofah and the loofah is like done for. I need to get a new one. So I'm excited to use this because I feel like this is gonna make my skin really soft. Also, like, I get cracked heels a lot, and this feels like if I scrub my feet with it, it's gonna do wonders. But we'll get into the price at the end of the video. The next thing I see here is Sun and Swell Foods Date and Cashew Cookies, double cocoa or cacao. So this I'm really excited for. No gluten, no dairy, no soy, no preservatives. And this is 130 calories. I'm excited for this. I like when they give snacks because I think that's so fun. You get to try new things, and if you really like it, you can actually go and purchase it. And if you end up purchasing it, they will give you some kind of a code or something. The next thing I see here is a desert rose crystal. So these, I actually have one. I'm not sure where it is right now. I don't know where it is right now. But this is a smaller one than the one I have, which is really cute because I like to keep, well, I want to keep like a little bowl of crystals in my bedroom. And I do want to keep a desert rose in there because this is really good for romance. This is really good if you are in a relationship. It's good for self-love. It's good for preserving love and protecting love. This is a very, very good, I don't know if you would call it a crystal, but it is called a desert rose crystal. And I'm really excited because now I can build my collection in my bedroom. So if you guys have not seen that video already, where I do have a video of crystals you could put in your bedroom, and this is not included in that one, so I might do a part 2 because there are a few crystals that if you mix and match them and put them together, they create an ambiance. They create an energy in your bedroom, all having to do with love and self-love and romance and sex and love and all that. The next thing I see here is a Desert Lover soap. So it says, use for visions of love. Rose quartz reawakens the heart. Also, there's a rose quartz in here. This is an all-natural soap, and you can see the crystal. You can see the rose quartz inside of there. It's a tumbled rose quartz. So I'm really excited to use this. This looks really, really nice. It's made with kaolin pink clay, or kaolin, organic poppy seeds. Ever since I was little, I don't know why, I've been so fascinated with poppy seeds. When I was little, like the poppy seed muffins, if I saw that in the store, I had to get it. Like, I would beg my parents for it. I don't know what it is about poppy seeds that I'm so drawn to. So the fact that this soap has poppy seeds, I'm really excited. I'm also excited to see my boyfriend's reaction because he loves when we get soap in the Goddess Provisions boxes, because we make soap ourselves at home. Like, we make natural soaps, and even if we buy soaps, it's always some form of a natural soap. So soap for us, if it's natural or homemade, it's very exciting. So it smells really, really good. It smells like a cupcake. Like a cotton candy cupcake. That's what it smells like. The next thing I see in here is called Chicky Botanica High Desert Wild Crafted Roll-On Oil Blend. So this is, it has sunflower oil, apricot oil, white sage oil, purple sage, sagebrush, yerba santa, grapefruit, cedarwood, sagebrush, flower essence. So this is extreme protection, which, you know what? I should put it on right now because before I started this video, I checked my emails and I was like a frustrating group of emails that I had received. This smells really good. Completely like overpowering sage scent, which to me, it's heavenly. Like, this is one thing that if I run out of this, I would go to this website and buy some more. This is really nice, you guys. Especially for times when you go out to the store or something, or you go out, or even at home. You open up your email in your inbox and you get like a really frustrating email, or you talk to somebody over the phone, it's a really frustrating phone call. Please sage yourself down. Please cleanse your energy. Get that bad energy away from you and send it back to where it came from. And this right here, this is magic in a bottle for that. Like, I'm really excited for this. Usually after I do my Goddess Provisions unboxing, I'll go to my boyfriend's office because he has his own office and I have my own office. I'll walk in there and I will close the box and then he will do the unboxing. And it's really cute because I'm his audience and I just get so excited at his reaction. So I think I'm really curious to see his reaction on this. He's gonna love this. Okay, so another thing that I see here, it looks like a tapestry, which the first tapestry that Goddess Provisions sent me is on my altar with Lakshmi and Ganesh. And it's like all the moon phases and the goddesses, the different stages of the goddesses, and it's infused with selenite crystals, I think. So the first one that they sent me is the moon, right? So this one is all about the sun, and it's upside down. It's the sun, and I'm pretty sure this probably is infused with some crystals, but we'll find out when I read the pamphlet. But if you guys can see, that is so cute. Like, if I do readings on this, what do you guys think? Pretty, right? This is really cute. You guys know in the last Goddess Provisions unboxing, I did mention I cut these out because they have really beautiful artwork. I cut them out and I put it in my journal. I love to journal, and this inspires me. Okay, so let me show you guys the prices. Okay, Goddess Provisions essential oil pouch. Oh, it's an essential oil pouch. Ooh. Imagine if I have my tarot cards in there, some crystals, and some essential oils, like that roller one. I'm gonna pop that in here. I'm ready to go, okay? Ready to go. That is a $33 value. That's interesting. That's kind of pricey for me, but when you feel it, the quality feels really good, and I do feel like if your essential oil bottle opens and it kind of leaks in there, you can just wash it and the quality of the bag will remain that's how good the quality feels. The Cheeky Botanica High Desert Roll-On is $24, and they do give you 25% off of their website. So this, I'm gonna check this out. The Crystal Bar Soap is $9. That's very cheap. That's very, very cheap for something like this. And they also give you 20% off code if you go shop at their website. Alana Gabrielle Desert Tapestry is $22, but they do give you 25% off if you go shop at their website. Oh, so this design honors the symbolic plants and animals of Joshua Tree, and it's on 100% natural cotton. I have been wanting to go to Joshua Tree. I've actually been kind of looking up like what's around there, how do you go there, how can you camp there, or I think you can rent cabins there or something. I really want to visit this place. Like I really feel like Joshua Tree is calling to me. So this is interesting. I feel like I'm communicating. Like I put it out there that I want to go there, and all of a sudden I receive a tapestry that's all about it. It's very synchronistic for me. Goddess Provisions Dry Brush is $11. Very affordable, very, very affordable. And oh, I didn't even notice. So it says something on there. It says awaken your skin to enliven your soul. I love that. Words have power, you guys. The Sun and Swell Double Cocoa Clean Cookie Bites are $2.50. Not a bad deal at all. If they're really, really good, I'll probably go on their website and purchase a few more. Desert Rose Crystal is $3. Not a bad price for a crystal like this. Plus, this crystal is really pretty. Sometimes Desert Rose is not shimmery. Usually it's very dry, right? But this one has a little bit of shimmer on it, which is really interesting. They also offer a download, like a digital download. And this one has a Desert Rose meditation. Access insights about the deep clarifying medicine of the desert and practice a beautiful meditation that will help you connect with your higher vision and the wisdom of your heart. This is a $33 meditation that you get for free if you get the box. This meditation is by Bridget Nielsen. I've been wanting, let's just say I got what I asked for. I got what I asked for right now. Like in this very moment, I just manifested something. I'm really excited about this, you guys. Okay. Oh, and they also give you a monthly mantra in their booklet, and this month it is I embark on my spiritual journey with the vision of my soul's ultimate oasis. How cute. So imagine I'm gonna cut this out. I'm gonna cut out the mantra and I'm gonna put it in my journal. And I'm going to actually probably be journaling that tonight. I love this. This is so inspiring. You see that? Like every month when I get this box, not only the items in the box are so beautiful, but you get inspired. Like, I'm gonna journal with this, right? And then you get inspired. Like, you don't have to use the things they send you the way that you're supposed to use them. Like this, I'm gonna use for tarot. And it's just, I'm so excited. This box always makes me excited. It's such good energy. So if you guys are interested in this box, I will leave the link for the Goddess Provisions website down below. If you guys get the box, make sure you tell me what you did with the items in it, how you liked them, how you used it. And I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Before I go, usually I take sips of my wine throughout the video, but I was so excited that I forgot about it. So yeah, cheers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys very, very soon.